Well, guys, this is one of the hardest SAT math question. It says the Geraldine is making a simple AC electric generator for a science project using the copper wire and so on. So the first step is building the generator is wrapping the wire around and around the rectangular prism made from the cardboard and connecting it to the small light bulbs, as shown in this figure. So if the Geraldine has 18 feet of wire and needs to leave 3 inches on each end to connect the light bulbs, how many times can she wrap the wire around the cardboard prism? So first step, it's given that we are given 18 feet of wire, but we need to leave 3 inches. As you see, one of them is given by feet, another one is inch, so we have to have the conversion here. As you guys know, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So 18 feet is equal to 18 times 12 inches, which is 216 inches. So because you have to leave 3 inches on each end, imagine that this is a wire, which is like 216 inches, and you have to leave 3 inch in both sides, 3 inches here. So 216 minus 3 and minus 3, that will be 210 inches of the wire that we have to wrap to the rectangular prism. Well, let's see, like if we wrap it once, how many inches of the wire we need. So you guys see that this is 1.5, this is 3.5, another 1.5 is here, and another 3.5 is here. Kind of perimeter of this base is twice of 1.5 plus 3.5, which is equal to 10 inches. So to wrap it once, we need 10 inches of the wire, and we have total 210 inches of the wire. To see like how many times we can wrap, we are going to divide 210 by 10, which is equal to 21. So we can wrap it 21 times. The answer will be A.